Hi, today in this video we show you how to create a butterfly magnet. You can use this butterfly also for decoration and for many other things. Okay, let's get started to create the butterfly. We will need a piece of paper. We will fold enough our paper, and then with the pencil we will need to trace our butterfly. It's quite easy, and we will trace the butterfly in this way. Now we will need to cut with a pair of scissors the butterfly. Voila. Here. Voila. And here our super cute butterfly. Okay, now we will need to trace this part if you want, or you can leave it in this way as you prefer. Voila. And now we will need to glue the magnet to the butterfly. Okay, now with some glue we will attach our magnet. We will attach our magnet to the butterfly. Voila. Leave it to dry, and then you will have your super cute butterfly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.